Hello my friend, welcome to my new video with you Alarm from Alarm. So today another quick video tutorial, but all that after this short break. Today my friend, I will share with you this useful shortcut for the preview pane. I know all of you know the preview pane. So here I'm in Windows 11. I will show you how to get it. So to go to view, and after that you go to show, and after that you can see it here, the preview pane. So show or hide the preview pane. Okay, so just click on it, and this is what is the preview. So if you want, for example, this image like this, video, so you can see PDF, Word file. So like you see, if you want to use it, you must go to the view, show, and after that use it. If you want to remove it, just do the same. So just go to view, show, and just select here the preview pane and take time. So I will give you this shortcut. It's very easy. Just click Alt and P, Alt and the letter P. Voila, you can see it. If you want to remove it, just click Alt plus P. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.